Welcome to International Bitcoin Cryptocurrency with Atom Coin Business Opportunities. Bitcoin cryptocurrency is the world's most trusted and authentic currency. It is the most successful and trusted cryptocurrency of the 21st century. Established in 2009, in the beginning, the value of one Bitcoin was $1. Today, in 2016, the value of one Bitcoin is $600 and increasing. As predicted in 2019, the value of Bitcoin will go up to a mind-blowing $15,000 per Bitcoin. Bitcoin is accepted for all types of business, services, and money transfer transactions across the world. The success of Bitcoin has attracted new companies to do transaction in cryptocurrency, and every day, new companies are getting registered to the coin market. If you invest today in Bitcoin, you are sure to get a bright future. Bitcoin Business Opportunity Packages. After free registration, you will get your commitment incentive for 20 working days, 1% of your package. After commitment, it is compulsory to top up within 30 days for receiving mining incentive. Your mining incentive will be 1.5% for 150 working days. You will get your 1.5% mining incentive in 150 working days. Incentive opportunity, referral incentive 10%. Incentive opportunity, binary incentive 10%. Upgrade package. You can upgrade your existing small package to a bigger package and get a bigger incentive benefit. Half PIN, 50-50. Minimum 50% through your Bitcoin account top-up, and rest from your Atom wallet mining account. Full PIN, 100%. Through your Bitcoin account, you should top up full PIN. Re-top up should be 100% in Bitcoin account after 150 working days, same package or bigger package. Token difficulties. Rationale: token over difficulties equals coins. Atom coins. Mining has already started. The coins received after the mining, all the exchanges worldwide can be enchased. Split. Barometer and split. When it is 100%, it is a split, and as per your packages, your token are doubled. The incentive will be in Bitcoin only. Please follow the rules and regulations of your country. Kindly check if Bitcoin is legal in your country. Mission: to develop Atom Coin as powerful as Bitcoin across the world. Thank you. Bitcoin is a revolution. It is the most trusted cryptocurrency in the world. It is your opportunity to join the Bitcoin family and earn maximum incentives. Now, it's your chance to live a luxurious and rich life.